In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively contact Zillow support for your specific needs. Whether you're dealing with general customer support inquiries, technical questions, or more specialized requests, I've got you covered with the best ways to reach out to Zillow. Let's start with direct phone support options, which can provide you immediate assistance from a live representative. If you're a general Zillow customer or experiencing technical issues, the best number to call is 877-313-8601. This line is designed to help with a wide range of common inquiries and technical challenges you might face when using their platform. Moving on, if you are a Zillow Premier agent or partner looking for specific support relevant to your status, then you'll want to call 888-466-3501. This dedicated line ensures that you receive help tailored to your role and the services you utilize as part of Zillow's agent network. For those who might be dealing with media-related inquiries or issues concerning Zillow listings, you should reach out via email to listingsupport@zillow.com. This email is a great resource for addressing media concerns and queries about the listings themselves. For users of Zillow Home Loans, there's a separate contact number, 888-852-2212. It's important to contact this line for any questions or issues related to Zillow's mortgage offerings, ensuring you get the most accurate financial advice and information. Now, let's explore the online avenues for support, a method that some users find more convenient. Zillow's Help Center is a valuable resource, providing an extensive collection of articles, FAQs, and topics that might already have the answers to your questions. You can browse through the Help Center to find information that matches your issue. If you prefer written communication or have a more detailed query, submit a support request form through the Zillow Help Center. This method allows you to provide detailed information about your issue, enabling the support team to investigate and respond thoroughly. For those who manage rental properties via Zillow, you have a specific support portal available through Zillow Rental Manager. Here, you can submit support requests tailored to rental management, ensuring you get professional help regarding your landlord or rental management concerns. Finally, Zillow maintains a general Contact Us page available on their website, which provides additional guidance on how to best reach them for your particular issue. This page is handy for navigating the types of support on offer and finding the quickest way to resolve your problem. Remember, regardless of which method you choose to contact Zillow, providing as much detail as possible about your issue will help expedite the process. Be clear and concise, whether you're communicating via phone, email, or online form. Thank you for watching, and good luck getting the support you need from Zillow.